WBS platform is really easy to use. You log on, username, password, and it comes up with your own screen, which is tailored to your course. It's for all your academic programs. It lists out all the modules that you have. It then has a full student directory, so you can look up people to contact them, which is really useful. Search functions, any kind of data or research you need is there. So overall, I mean, it's a good online platform to use, and everything's in one place.
The platform is really user-friendly. I can use it very easily. I can upload my files, I can contact my tutors, I can engage with my content, and I can re-watch my lectures. So the whole platform is designed for the ease of use in my time and at my leisure.
There's access to e-books, and you can download those on your phone or an iPad or on your laptop or whatever, so they're always available. And then the learning platform has PDFs of the lesson slides, you have videos which are posted by the lecturers, and then there is a live session as well, which you can either join live and interact and ask questions, or you can watch the recording if it's at a time which isn't convenient to you. So there's multiple different ways in which you can access the information.
The quality of teaching was fantastic. The faculty they were all amazing and all fantastic in their own right, with various expertise. Their availability was fantastic. I can't say enough great things about faculty and their teams and support folks along with them.
I was very worried about not actually meeting a lot of people, but that hasn't been the case. I mean, we're on WhatsApp constantly. We're using the WBS live forums, the Blackboard that they offer all the time, and it's been great. It's been very interactive and overall very positive experience.